Are you getting this error on Windows? That usually means the app is not added to path. And luckily we can fix it under just 30 seconds. And for today's video, I'm gonna use FFmpeg as my example. So what you need is to have the path saved right here. Then click on your Windows key and we're gonna go to Edit, System Environment Variables. We're gonna click on that one, which will bring us to System Properties. Under here, we're gonna click Environment Variables one more time. Now, this is the part where you need to pay attention. Lots of people, what they do is just they go to Edit or New on the main screen. That's not what we want. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Path right there, and then we're gonna click Edit. Not the main window. We're gonna go to Path, then click Edit. And once we're there, we're gonna click on New, okay? And we're going to paste the path of our application. One more important factor, do not post the path to the exe file, not the executable, the folder containing the executable. So your path should never end in .exe. Once we get that under control, we can click OK, and one more time OK, and then OK. Now we can restart your terminal and the issue will be resolved. Thank you for watching. This is GxlTechAI, and let's get building.